Okay, so now here's a question, another question for you. How many radii does a circle have? Radii is the plural of radius. So how many radii do you think a circle could have? Take a moment to think about that. A radius is a line segment that starts from the center of the circle and then stops at the side of a circle, right? How many do you think we could do? Well, if you remember, the circle is made up of infinite amount of points equidistant from the center of the circle. So if there are infinite amount of points around the circle, then there would therefore be an infinite amount of radii. So you should stop this video really quick and type in what you think would be your answer. It should be that there are an infinite amount of radii around a circle. Very good. Here's the next point. If you use a straight edge to draw line segment AC, remember we name a line segment with 2 points, then you use a straight edge to draw another line segment connecting points B and D. How are the line segments different and how are they the same? So to answer this question, we have to go back to our picture and we're going to check. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw that so we can actually visually understand this question. So let's go ahead and connect AC. So let's take our ruler and draw a line segment connecting A and C so we can understand this question and then compare the two lines. So let's go ahead and draw line segment AC. There we have it. Then let's connect BD. There we go. And now let's compare them. So how are they the same? Think about that for a moment. Well, if you said that these are 2 line segments inside of a circle, they don't go outside of the circle, you're correct. Right on it. Now, how are they different? What do you think? Well, if you said that if you observe that AC goes to the center, point O of the circle, but the line segment BD does not, you're correct. BD does not go through the center of the circle. Okay? So think about that as you answer this question. How are the line segments different and how are they the same? So go ahead and pause this video and type in your answer. So both line segments AC and BD are chords of the circle. That's what we call them. Now, what is a chord? It's not necessarily what you play on a guitar or a piano with 3 notes, but a chord is a line segment. In geometry, a chord is a line segment with each endpoint on the circle. Remember, a line segment is part of a line. Remember, a line goes infinitely in 2 directions in geometry. A line segment is part of that. So a line segment that does not go outside of the circle is called a chord. And specifically, line segment AC is called a diameter of the circle. So remember, we compared the 2 lines AC and BD. AC particularly is called a diameter. Now, why is it called a diameter? Because a diameter is a chord, so it's a special type of a chord that passes through the center of the circle. So remember, that's what we observed previously. Now, why do you think BD is not considered a diameter? Take a moment to pause and consider that. Well, if you said that BD does not go through the center of the circle, you are in fact correct. Good job. Go ahead and type that in.